initially.
Right.
And what happened was there were some requests. I started getting clients who really wanted vegan at that time, which was about 2.5 years ago. There were not many places. There was just Bellaria, and there was me, and I don't know if anybody else was specializing in vegan. And the general feedback was that if you have anything, not even vegan, but generally if you have vegetarian or eggless cakes, it's hard. It doesn't taste good. It's
not the same kind of
fluffiness. Yes, you just the same texture is not. That was the general belief. And but my clients, they came to me. I think particularly because one, they were animal lovers. They did not want. They made a conscious decision to not have dairy, which is why they came to me. So after that, the vegan circle sort of grew, and I would say that also gave me an opportunity to sort of experiment in terms of using different kinds of milk for a particular product, like say soy milk, like say almond milk and things like that. So, and it is, I mean, anything with a lot of sugar is not very healthy. But I use almond milk. They like almond milk. See, coconut milk is popular because we live in this tropical region. But at the same time, vegan, this is not vegan.
So what are like the best-selling products here among
vegans? We have a vegan mousse cake. It's called the Theobroma. So that's our bestseller. Additionally, also our version of chocolate truffle. It's called Trufa Chocolat. So that's also in vegan. And we have a vegan banana walnut bread, which is also.
So now the ratio of vegan clients to the vegetarian normal activists is still about 1:5.
I think so.
Okay.
Because there are people, even though people know about me, people do know that you get vegan products here. Either it's probably, I feel it's probably the consciousness that they do not want to indulge in so much sugar and things like that. And because I find vegans to be a little extra cautious than vegetarians themselves. So I would say, I would still say it's 1:5. I don't really see an increase in that. But it's just that even that 1:5, there is probably a spread, in the clientele. The clientele has widened.
Right.
But I would still say, from a sales point of view, it's still 5:1 for me.
But you definitely see this aspect of the business staying constant or at least growing.
Oh yeah. I do because people are growing more and more. Not just vegans who come to me for vegan cakes. It's also mothers and people who are lactose intolerant, who have allergies, who have problems, digestion problems when they have dairy, who come to me. So yeah, it's not just the veganism, the animal lover, health conscious angle. It's also a very imposed angle where people do have ailments having dairy.
I think that's good.
That's good.